social media is here, and it ain't going anywhere for a while.
People are looking for information on the internet.
There's a lot to be said for just going into the computer and getting all this information, all the questions that you have.
Social media has changed the rules. Social media is the now in healthcare marketing.
These healthcare professionals are reaping the rewards of safe social media by investing their marketing money in the MyBody Network.
It immediately struck me as a fantastic idea, something that's totally missing from our profession.
Orthodontist Dr. Jamie Reynolds is a team leader for his MyBody Network.
I get to handpick which people we want, so we get to see eye to eye with them as far as their quality of care and their concern for the patients.
The team leader's role is to decide which one person in each specialty in their area they want to align themselves with and formalize a referral relationship.
There really is an untapped referral pool out there from other healthcare professionals.
This has been the best dollar spent with the amount of referrals and patients that have come through.
Tina Emmerich is the office manager for Dr. Joseph Mark, the plastic surgeon Dr. Reynolds chose to be in his MyBody Network.
The doctor's interaction is minimal, which is wonderful because my doctor, being a plastic surgeon, he's operating. He doesn't have time to do his marketing and answer emails and that type of stuff, and really this is all done for him. I'm the one that manages it, and it's so simple. It's easier to manage than our website because all the work is done for you. The patients are actually referring each other.
In fact, being a part of the MyBody Network will improve the ranking of your own website by having a direct link to your personal website. If you don't have a practice website, MyBody Network is an inexpensive and easy way to get web presence. Once you join, the network basically manages itself.
Login, name, and password. That's it in a nutshell. That's the hardest part.
After logging in, any member of your staff can easily manage the network. There is a video section where you upload relevant videos such as news stories, testimonials, an office tour.
Even technique videos that we can show our patients so that people can be more comfortable with procedure and process before they ever get in the door.
Video is becoming one of the biggest tools in social media.
Another important tool is the news section.
The news section is really just a blog.
An opening for doctors to write relevant news content, things that we're doing in our practice to make ourselves better, things that are going on in dentistry as a whole.
The success story section is where you let your patients sell you to other patients or customers just like them.
The success stories really is one of the most powerful aspects of the MyBody Network. It is giving a patient a voice, and that is what social media is all about.
We wanted to have a channel for our patients to go on and write firsthand about their experiences in our practice.
When you start making your patients ambassadors for your office, they start to promote you without you having to pay them at all.
The success story section is a safe and comfortable way for doctors to enter the social media realm. Unlike other social media platforms, the doctor and his staff have complete control over what gets posted.
The number one fear for all doctors of social media is a negative comment. We specifically made it so that it's more of a controlled, positive platform for doctors. We want it to be a safe and comfortable entry into the social media world for doctors.
The main component of each MyBody Network is the Featured Partners page, which is a landing page that displays all the members of the network. Take, for example, Dr. Reynolds. Every professional he has handpicked to align himself with, including Dr. Mark, is featured on this page.
To be able to have some trusted individuals at your fingertips that you've worked with, that you trust, is really invaluable for our patients. I think it's great.
You want to be connected with the right people in your community who your patients know, the popular doctors in your area.
A popular doctor in Dr. Reynolds' area is ear, nose, and throat physician Dr. Carl Shermatero. Dr. Shermatero admits he's not tech savvy, but he immediately recognized this as an excellent marketing opportunity.
I wanted to be a part of a network where everybody in that network had the same high level of care. I certainly felt that this was a wave of the future, so to speak, and I certainly wanted to get involved in it from the beginning.
The possibility for exposure multiplies with each professional in the network. Every time a patient goes to the Featured Partners page, they will see all the specialists in that network.
They may be referred there for one reason, but they're going to browse and look at all these other health providers that are on the same platform there.
What you have to decide is, are you going to be the provider in your area or specialty that benefits from every referral from every doctor in the network?
The cream of the crop.
Right now, you have a doctor who is asking you if they can send all of their patients that require your specialty to you. Whether you are an endodontist, a periodontist, you specialize in sleep medicine, internal medicine, or even a massage therapist, when a professional and financial commitment like this is made, the referral relationship will succeed.
Really, I've seen some surprising referrals from some surprising and different places.
For the small financial commitment that is required, the MyBody Network will boost your per-patient referral rate and increase your productivity.
This has undoubtedly been the biggest return on investment that we've had for any of our marketing efforts.
Formalize the relationship with the doctor in front of you and make the decision to join their MyBody Network. This is a very progressive marketing approach, but it's been proven in many different industries across the country. Remember, your team leader will choose one go-to person in each specialty to benefit from these referrals. If it's not you, you could be giving patients to your competition.
Just do it. It's a no-brainer.